If you've come across monkwin.com, you might be wondering one thing: is this website actually legit, or is it just another scam? So, I decided to take a closer look. At first glance, monkwin.com may look convincing. The website appears professionally designed, and that can easily make you feel comfortable. But a polished website does not automatically mean a company is trustworthy. And this is where I would be careful. I couldn't find enough strong, independent information about monkwin.com to confidently say that it is a trusted platform. That doesn't automatically prove it's a scam, but it does mean you should avoid rushing into anything. There are a few things I always check with websites like this. First, look at the company information. Is there a real business behind the website? Can you verify the company and its contact details? Next, check the payment methods. Be especially careful if you're being pushed toward payments that are difficult to reverse. Then there are the reviews. Don't just look at reviews posted on the website itself. Look for independent experiences from real users. Another big warning sign is pressure. If a website constantly tells you to act immediately or promises deals that seem too good to be true, slow down. So, is monkwin.com legit? My honest take is that I would not rush to trust it. There simply isn't enough reliable information for me to confidently recommend sending money or personal details. If you're considering using monkwin.com, do more research first. Check the company, payment options, refund policies, and independent reviews. Sometimes walking away is better than learning the hard way.